Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. In the series of Gist of Agricultural Engineering, we are going to study fan laws under subject processing and food engineering. So let's start. Law number 1, which states that the volume of air delivered by a fan is directly proportional to its speed of rotation. It is denoted by Q2 is equal to Q1 into N2 divided by N1, where Q2 and Q1 is equal to air flow rates and N2 and N1 is equal to speed of rotation of fan. Law number 2 states that the pressure developed by a fan is directly proportional to the square of the fan speed, which is denoted by P2 is equal to P1 into N2 divided by N1 whole square, where P2 and P1 is equal to static pressure developed by fan at speeds N2 and N1. Law number 3. Law number 3 states that the power absorbed by a fan is directly proportional to the cube of the fan speed, which is denoted by hp2 is equal to hp1 n2 divided by n1 the whole cube, where hp2 and hp1 is equal to power absorbed by a fan. Now, in relation to diameter of impeller, there are some three formulas. So let's see. The volume of air delivered by a fan is directly proportional to cube of the diameter of impeller, which is denoted by Q2 is equal to Q1 d2 by d1 the whole cube, where d2 and d1 is diameter of impeller and Q2 and Q1 is volume of air delivered by a fan. Second one is the pressure developed by a fan is directly proportional to the square of impeller diameter. P2 is equal to P1 into d2 by d1 whole square, where P2 and P1 is pressure developed by a fan and d2 and d1 is impeller diameter. Third one is the power developed by a fan varies directly as the fifth power of the impeller diameter, which is denoted by hp2 is equal to hp1 into d2 by d1 whole raised to power 5, where hp2 and hp1 is power developed by a fan and d2 and d1 is impeller diameter. So thank you for watching our video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.